All right, good morning. Welcome back to Calculus 2. We are looking at our final exam review. So here's a problem. We have to integrate natural log 3x minus 2 dx. Okay, no limits or anything like that. So indefinite integral. Every time you have like a natural log and you don't have like an over x or anything like that, you're looking at integration by parts. So we're going to say let u equal ln of 3x minus 2 du is equal to 3 over 3x minus 2. I took the derivative, so that's 1 over 3x minus 2 times its chain. That's where the 3 came from. We have dv. Well, what's left? We used up the natural log of 3x minus 2. The only thing left is the dx. So v is equal to x. Now we do a little swish and flick here, and we go ahead and apply our integration by parts. So we have x ln of 3x minus 2 minus the integral of x times 3x minus 2. So we multiplied these two together. That's what happened here. Now, normally I would be looking at this and I'd be thinking, oh, well, there's the same degree on the top as there is on the bottom. This looks like we're going to have to do a partial fractions, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to try to be clever and think if I can I add and subtract something that would make this a little bit easier to deal with? Yes. Why did I subtract 2 and add 2? So really, I just added 0. But you see what I've done here is we've kind of grouped these together. So I have minus 3x minus 2 over 3x minus 2 plus 2 over 3x minus 2. Now, don't forget that this is minus this whole integral. We have x natural log of 3x minus 2 out in front here. So this whole thing is going on here. The 3x minus 2's cancel, so we have minus the integral of 1. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this. So we're going to say we have plus, I'll put the negative 1 here, minus 2 over 3x minus 2 dx, and that's what we have to go deal with now. Okay, so here we have x, natural log of 3x minus 2. And now we can go ahead and integrate this little part here. Now, if you have to do a little bit of a u substitution right here to say something like, let pick a different letter, let w is equal to 3x minus 2, dw is equal to 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this thing by 3 here, but we're going to divide by 3 over here. Okay, so this 2/3 bit here is just going to factor out. So we've got x natural log of 3x minus 2, and then we're going to say plus. Now, the negative side is already inside of here. So we've got a negative x. That's what integrating this negative 1 does. Minus, see, this 2/3 is something I can kind of snake out of the integral sign over here. So we have minus 2 over 3. And now just integrating 3 over 3x minus 2, which is just going to be the natural log of 3x minus 2. Okay. Plus c, don't forget that. So let's go ahead and group some things up so we can actually figure out what's going on here. We could say this is going to be x minus 2/3, parentheses, natural log 3x minus 2, minus x plus c. And that is a nice answer. Okay, so as we're doing this, you'll have to tell me integration by parts. You could say integration by parts. Okay, up at the top here, your engineering teachers will be very happy that you are declaring what you're doing because they don't have to figure out what you're up to. I like it when you declare your variables, so I like to see this little bit right here. So you can show a little bit of work to do this. That'd be great. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Study hard.